Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Procolored F13 Panda DTF printer A3 L1800, a high-performance apparel transfer printing machine designed for serious creators in the custom garment world. Click the link below for the best price. If you're in the business of printing custom t-shirts, hoodies, or apparel of any kind, this machine offers a professional-grade solution with convenience and reliability at its core. The F13 Panda comes with a full direct-to-film setup, including the printer, oven, and ink package, making it a complete plug-and-play solution right out of the box. It uses the popular A3 L1800 format, which supports a 13-inch max print width, giving you plenty of flexibility for both small logos and large, full-front shirt designs. The print output is sharp, vibrant, and highly detailed, ideal for dark or light fabrics of cotton, polyester, blends, and more. This model includes an upgraded white ink circulation system, which helps reduce clogging and ensures consistent print quality over time. The white ink is constantly moving through the system when idle, keeping the nozzles clear and reducing the need for daily maintenance. That means less downtime and fewer print errors, something every shop owner will appreciate. Another smart feature is the semi-automatic cleaning function. With just one tap, you can flush and clean the printhead to maintain optimal performance. This simplifies daily upkeep and extends the printer's lifespan, making it a practical choice for busy print shops or even home-based businesses that need pro-grade equipment without the hassle. The included curing oven is efficient and well-matched to the output speed of the printer. It rapidly dries the printed film with uniform heat, bonding the ink for strong adhesion and vivid colors during transfer. This oven is also compact and space-saving, so it's perfect for smaller workspaces. Print speed is solid and consistent, offering high volume output with precision. Whether you're working on bulk orders or one-off custom jobs, this printer delivers a reliable pace without compromising quality. It supports a range of DTF inks and films, but the included Procolored ink ensures rich blacks, bright colors, and soft feel on final garments. In terms of usability, the F13 Panda is compatible with major design software, and it integrates well into a wide variety of workflow setups. It's perfect for small businesses looking to scale or creators who want to bring production in-house. From brand merch to sports team apparel to personalized gifts, this machine opens up a world of customization. Whether you're upgrading from heat transfer vinyl or just starting out with direct-to-film, the Procolored F13 Panda gives you control, quality, and versatility in one well-built package. Click the link below for the best price. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more print tech and creative gear reviews, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.